Going back to the distant creek bank, I'll create some shade shapes within the previously shaded areas. These will tend to be small shapes with hard edges. And I'll highlight some shades in the exposed rock shapes as well, using the same lean mix of cobalt blue. Tending to stay within the previously shaded areas helps me not overdo the shading. It would be easy to make the snow too busy. I just want to suggest shape to the viewer. Often, less is more. Dabbing with the tissue helps keep these secondary shades light, subtle. I try to imagine small portions of the snow that are more hidden from the sunlight. I really like ad-libbing. Here I've extended some of the shoreline tree shades into the creek with cobalt blue. With a water-loaded brush, I'll soften some of their edges. And with a water-loaded scrubbing brush, I'll soften some of the shade lines on the snow surface. I use a normal brush for softening the shades on the crick, as the scrubbers would lift too much of the underlying crick colors. And I'll lighten the vertical snowbank between the tree trunk shades. This softening process is important, as so much of a successful watercolor painting can be subtle. I'll soften the top edge of the vertical snow shade, and I'll lightly scrub portions of the blue band to give it some variance of value. I'll employ a small scrubber for making some vertical light areas in the blue vertical band. A water-loaded Incredible nib works well for this too. Now I'll work in yet some more shade details. And I'll begin shading and sorting portions of the tree trunk snow.